Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and the current credential so you can change the password without locking yourself out. Once done, open the settings menu by pressing the config button for 2 seconds. This triggers pairing and security mode. Make sure the LED shows solid blue or menu to confirm entry. Now select User Management or Fingerprint Settings using the arrow keys. This moves you directly into the list where you can add, edit, or remove fingerprints. You will enroll the new fingerprint carefully so recognition is reliable. First choose Add New Fingerprint, then follow prompts. Place the same finger flat on the sensor for 3 to 5 seconds and lift when prompted. Repeat 3 to 4 times so the sensor captures multiple angles. After successful scans, the unit asks you to enter a numeric backup code, pick a memorable 4-6-digit PIN, and confirm it. This PIN serves as a fallback if the sensor has trouble. You finish by verifying the new credential works every time. Test unlocking twice, once with the fingerprint and once with the numeric PIN, and make sure the lid opens smoothly. If everything checks out, remove any old fingerprints to maintain security. Finally, store the backup PIN safely. If the sensor fails to read, clean the pad with an alcohol wipe, reboot the piggy bank, and then use the master code to regain access. This usually resolves common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.